Synchronizing charts and windows. Syncing your charts and windows in BlackArrow is essential for a seamless trading experience. Let's suppose you want to display one asset on the left side charts and a different asset on the right side charts. You also want intraday timeframes on the top charts and a daily timeframe on the bottom charts. To automatically update all windows in a group when changing an asset, enable synchronization. Click the three dots in the top right corner of each window and select a group under Asset Link. Let's assign Group 1 to the left side windows and Group 2 to the right side windows. Now, when you change the asset in one window, all windows in the same group will change accordingly. The same applies to Group 2. Changing the asset in one window updates all windows within the group. You can use this feature to view the same asset across different timeframes, such as intraday and daily, or compare a time-based chart with a non-time-based one. Another way to sync your charts is by timeframe synchronization. For example, let's say you want to analyze different assets using the same timeframe. 2 charts for lower time frames on top, and 2 for higher time frames at the bottom. To set this up, click the 3 dots in the top right corner of each window and select a group under Time Link. Assign the top charts to Group 1 and the bottom charts to Group 2. Now, when you change the time frame in one window, all windows in the same group will adjust automatically. Even the zoom level will sync across the charts in the same group. If you need more than 3 groups, simply click Add New Group. To remove a group, select No Link for the desired window. This synchronization feature works not only for charts but also for other windows within BlackArrow. Hope this video helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.